This video that you're about to watch could be the easiest pathway to fulfilling your Canadian dream. Under this program that I'm about to share with you now, you do not need language proficiency test. There is no age limit. You will be able to apply from anywhere in the world, and there is no degree requirement. You will be getting 18,000 Canadian dollars worth of scholarship free of charge after finishing your course in this province. Because you will be studying health-related course, you're guaranteed to get a job at the end of your study. And after 3 years of living in this province, you are entitled to apply for your permanent resident and subsequently your Canadian citizenship. My people, it doesn't get better than this. That is where I said this is the best news of the year, that I, your humble servant, is pleased to share this with you. For those that are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Francis. My returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your support. I am on a mission to save you money, give you the information to legally migrate abroad so you do not have to pay an agent to fulfill your migration dream. If you are looking to migrate abroad, this journal is your best guide to migrate, and therefore, it is in your best interest to subscribe to this journal so that we will give you the information and guidance to fulfill your migration dream. So I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel and follow us on our different social media channel, so that's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and just to make sure you're following us on all the platforms. I just got off the phone with a friend whose younger sister used this program that I'm about to share with you to migrate to Canada. She is in Canada as we speak right now. My friend told me when his sister told him about this program, he thought his sister was about to be scammed until she showed him her admission letter. That is when he started taking this seriously. So guys, when you finish watching this program, make sure if you do not have access to laptop or desktop, go to the next internet cafe close to you and start applying right away. Okay, this school is dishing out scholarship, and I can tell you it's not going to last forever. So that is why information, they say, it's power. Take advantage of this opportunity. Make sure your application, you send it to the school as soon as possible. So what is the good news that I have for you today, my people? There is a college in Halifax. I will tell you the name of the college shortly. This college, is based in Halifax, in Nova Scotia. They also have campuses in Vancouver and Ontario, but I would advise you to go to the one in Halifax. The reason being that Vancouver and Ontario are two of the most expensive provinces to live in, so it would be better for you if you're coming from abroad to start from a place where the cost of living is very, very cheap. That is the only reason I would suggest you consider going to Nova Scotia. And Nova Scotia has a lot of job opportunity as well. So that is it. If you like what you are hearing so far, there is value in what you're hearing, make sure you consider subscribing to this channel. Our mission is to help as many of our people to legally migrate abroad. I will leave a link in the description section of this video for you to apply to this school directly, and I will also show you step-by-step guide of how you can apply in this college. So make sure you watch this video to the end. If you know anyone whose lifelong dream has always been to migrate to Canada, please consider sharing this video with them. You could be transforming someone and their children's life by doing that. So let's go to the good news. So this college, as I said before, is based, you are going to be going to the one in Halifax. They offer courses in health-related field and fully funded scholarship. After you finish your course, you're guaranteed to get a job. And with that job, you will be able to apply for your permanent resident after 3 years. So I'm going to show you the college now, okay? So like I said before, quick summary. This college, there is no age limit. There is no language proficiency test. there is no degree requirement. Anyone with a minimum secondary school qualification can apply, and you can apply from anywhere in the world. As long as you have access to the internet, you can apply for this course. If you stick around to the end, I will give you a bonus tips of how you can present your application to make sure your application stands out when you submit your application. So let me show you this college now, and I hope that you're seeing value in what you are hearing, and I will again consider subscribing to Launch Club. We want to help as many of our people as possible to legally migrate this year. So go on Google search, type in, what you type in is Oxford International College, Canada. So once you type it, click on the college, it comes up, it takes you to the college site. So once it takes you to that site, all you do is that you go on where it says apply now. Okay, at the top here, you see apply now, you click on that. So once you click on that, it comes up with this. So what we'll need to do is we need to apply for diploma programs. So we click on that. Okay, so it takes us to this page. Okay, so say for instance, I've just put John Tinubu here as the name. Okay, so John. So the next thing is going to ask for the name on the passport. So his first name on the passport is John. So we'll put John there. So John's date of birth, I just put the date of birth there. So John is a male, we put John male. So country, John is a Nigerian. It resides in Nigeria. Does a student hold a valid passport? You say yes, you have a passport. And it will ask for your passport number. So for the sake of this, we're just going to put this number here. That's John's passport. So it will not ask us. The next thing it will ask us is with expiring date of the passport. So we're going to put a date here. So put 20th of the 3rd of the 4th, 2029. That's the date the passport expires. So country head, Nigeria. Student country of birth. So in this case, country's passport head is holding a Nigerian passport. Where was he born? He was born in Nigeria, so tick on Nigeria there. So if you are from Ghana, Zimbabwe, Pakistan, India, just fill it there. I'm just putting Nigerian there because a lot of my other law followers in Nigeria, so I'm just putting that there. So where does John live? So I'm just going to put number 30 here. Okay, the name of the street, I'm just going to put formula close. So I'll just put Ikeja Street here. Lagos, Nigeria, that's the name of the state. So it's asking for zip code. So I'll just put a zip code there. If you have postcode in your country or whatever you have, put it there. So I'll put a country there. So text me here. So it's going to ask the correspondence where the address, where the letters will be sent to. So I'm just going to put, in this case, I'm going to put is the same as the address on the top. So in John's case, it's going to be the same address. So I'm just going to put this. So the next thing it's going to ask us is the mobile number country code. So in Nigerian's case, the country code is 234. So you put your country code there. So you put the mobile number there. You put the mobile number. You put the landline number. In this case, I'm just going to put a number here just for the sake of this. So it's asking for the student email. So I'm just going to put this email there. Okay. So it's asking you for the Skype ID. So I'm going to put this there for the sake of this program. So we can see here is asking for okay, here is asking, does the student have a guardian? Say yes. So what is your title? Our title is Mr. Okay. So here it's going to ask you, it's going to ask you for the name. So we're just going to put a name there. This is John's father's name. So we're going to put John there too. So surname, going to put Tinubu there. Okay, Tinubu. Relationship, I'll just put father there. Okay. Does the guy have the same home address? I'm just going to put yes, he has the same home address. Yeah, it's his father. So you can see this is going to come up like this. Okay, so it's going to ask us for the country code. We'll put a country code, which is Nigeria 234. Okay, just going to put this number here. I'm going to put 00 there. Okay, so it's going to put the email here. Let's say for instance the email is, I'm just going to put this email here. Going to put this here. Okay, arrive. Oh, cool. We'll just put it here. So you put your information here, okay? So once you've done that, you go to the top here. Okay. Anything that shows red here, it means it's a must. So you have to make sure it means like it's a must. You can't go to the next page if you haven't done it. So the next thing you do, you click on next here. So you can see here, it's telling us that we have to fill this. So we have to fill this before it allows us to go to the next page. So we click on next. So it's just bringing out the page now. Okay. So just give it some time. It's just coming up. Loading the page. So it's just loading the page.